Maryland until 6:30 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Pleasant Hills or near Bel Air, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northwestern Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland until 6:30 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Fort Meade or near Severn, moving north at 25 miles. County in northern Maryland, northwestern Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland until 6:30 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Fort Meade or near Severn, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Washington, Elk Ridge, Arbutus, Catonsville. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado may be wrapped in rain and hard to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.